Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recover Gmail account. So if you're stuck at Google cannot sign you in because you didn't provide enough info, you don't need to be panicked because I'll show you the step by step on how you can recover your Gmail account even if Google says there's not enough information. So, millions of users face this issue every year, and the good news is you still have options to get your account back. And the tutorial is made simple for dummies, so follow along carefully. So, first, you can try the recovery page. You can just go to the official Google recovery page. So, open your browser and then go to the page in here g.co/recover, this one right here, and then you can just enter your Gmail and then click on next. And if you see the error message, don't give up. And step two, you can also use all devices or locations. So Google checks if it's really you. So try signing in from the phone or PC you normally use, like this one in here. So this one is the one that I used, and there will be the option to just enter the passkey. And you can also use the Wi-Fi network that you usually log in from, and this will increase your chance of passing verifications. And next, if you add a recovery phone number or email in the past, you can use that options even if you forgot your password. So Google will send a code there. And next, if you still cannot get in, you can just click on try another way until Google gives you the option to fill in a recovery form and be as accurate as possible. You need to enter your old passwords that you remember when you created the account, even a rough year, and which Google services you use, like Gmail, YouTube, Drive, and others. And next one, wait for review. So Google Teams will review your recovery request, and if the info match, they'll send you a recovery link within a few days. And if nothing works, you can create a new Gmail account and immediately add a recovery option so this problem never happens again. And that's how you can fix the not enough info for Google to be sure. Gmail recovery problem. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and click on the thanks. Bye.